Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to block someone on ProtonMail. To block someone on ProtonMail, follow these detailed steps. First is to open your web browser and go to ProtonMail. Enter your username and password and log in. Once logged in, go to your inbox or to the folder where the email from the sender you want to block is located. Let's say you head over to inbox and you find the inbox. Go ahead and open the email from the sender you wish to block. Let's say this is a sender. I don't have a message apart from Proton itself. In the email window, go ahead and locate the More option, which is here, 3 vertical dots near the top corner of the screen, and click on that. So once you click on that, you're going to see a drop-down menu including Star, Archive, Move to Spam, Export, Print, View Message Details, View Headers, View HTML, Report Phishing. Now, if this is from an actual person, you're going to find an option to block the sender from here. So, click Block Sender. Then a confirmation prompt will appear asking you if you're sure you want to block the sender. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Block. After you block the sender, all future emails from this person will be automatically sent to your spam folder. You will not receive any notifications for these emails, and they'll be filtered out of your inbox. If you ever want to unblock the sender, follow these steps. Navigate to your spam folder where the blocked emails are stored. Open the email from the sender you previously blocked. Click on More in the top right corner of the email, and from the drop-down menu, select Unblock Sender. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm by clicking Unblock, and you have now successfully blocked or unblocked the sender on ProtonMail.